You are really not a morning person.
Back off!
Get up! Get up! Get up!
What is that noise?
You.
It's the chick. She's going through some changes.
What kind of changes?
Well, the vet seems to think that she's becoming a rooster. We're getting a second opinion.
Hey, what are you doing shopping at 8 in the morning?
Well, I've been up since 6, thanks to somebody's dumbass rooster.